Hello Biosomiiiss, how are you? Fine. So I am your educator Abhishek Sharma welcomes you all in the Biosomes. And in this video lecture we we talk about or we directly discuss about regarding the term which is generally used in microbiology as well as in cell biology. So either you are the student of cell biology, or either you are a microbiologist, or either you are the student of life science, you have a doubt or you have a confusion between the three terms, cytoplasm, cytosol and protoplast. At one level we see that these three terms are similar but not yet, because they are sibling with each other. They have their own work functions, different work functions, just like a protoplast have their own work functions, cytosol have their different work functions, and cytoplasm have their different functions. So they are not similar, they are different, but yes, they are the sibling. So we clear our doubt, we directly see the definition of a protoplast, cytoplasm and cytosol and their web function. So let's begin with the protoplast. What are the proto and plast? The protoplast is bind with the plasma membrane or the plasma membrane, and the thing which is around the plasma membrane is called as a protoplast. Okay, so sir, what is cytoplasm? Generally a cytoplasm is a material bound by a plasma membrane. Okay, so the material which is bound with the plasma membrane is called a cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm is a major part of a protoplast. Okay, so cytoplasm is a part of a protoplast. Now the cytosol, when the cytoplasm is further divided into a liquid component which contains 60% of water and 40% of a protein. Okay, this liquid component is called a cytosol, and the cytosol is a part of a cytoplasm. So the cytosol is a part of cytoplasm and the cytoplasm is a part of a protoplast. Okay, so there are some other organelle or structure just like a ribosome, or we can say a plasmid, which is generally float in the cytosol. So cytosol is a liquid material or liquid content. Okay, many molecules dissolved in the cytosol. Many of the molecules is dissolved in cytosol. So cytosol, a liquid content which is made up of 60% of water and 40% of a protein. So this is all about the protoplast, cytoplasm and cytosol. These terms are very confusing at their own level as we talk in this lecture. But if you have any doubt regarding these terms, please comment below. We briefly make a video on these terms. So please share this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.